This Fine Island Properties LLC property video is presented by Michael Buchanan, RB less than bedroom greater than RB 19,488. Once you enter the grounds of the Ponoi Palms development, you know there is something special about this hidden gem in the heart of Makawao at 740C Ponoi Pl. Makawao, Hawaii 96768. This small development comprised of 9 individual cottages which were totally rebuilt in 2006. With new roofs, plumbing, electrical, wood laminate flooring, kitchen and bath cabinets, counters and appliances. There is also a private fenced-in patio off the kitchen with a storage unit and 1/4 bath. And a large deck out front. Mature landscaping surrounds the CPR'd lot. Maintenance fee covers water, insurance, lawn maintenance and trash pickup. Please call a local realtor for showings. Bank of America, NA employees and employees' household members and HGS business partners of the bank are prohibited from purchasing this property, whether directly or indirectly. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Buchanan, RB less than bedroom.